So yesterday we started the classification of 6 energies like wind, heat, hotness, humidity, dryness, and coldness. And we talked about the wind. The wind means instability. The wind means movement, right? Wind का मतलब है चंचलता, अस्थिरता, like the tremors. जैसे हमने कुछ एग्जांपल लिए थे, जैसे कि पार्किंसन, डिस्टोनिया और हाइपर एक्टिव किड्स, एनीथिंग hyperactivity, we can tell hyperactivity. So these are coming under the wind. ये हमारे wind के अंतर आते, right? In the same way, quickly we'll see a few things about the other energies. तो फिर हमने समझा था कि अगर आपके किसी पार्ट में अनस्टेबिलिटी है, मतलब विंड बढ़ी हुई है, अगर आपके किसी भी पार्ट में कंपन है तो विंड बढ़ी हुई है. देयर इज अ ट्विचिंग ऑन द फेस, फ्लिकरिंग ऑन द फेस, ट्विचिंग ऑन द आईज, ट्रेमर्स, ये सब विंड के उदाहरण है. अब हम थोड़ा सा हीट के उदाहरण की बात कर लेते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द एग्जांपल ऑफ द हीट नाउ. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हीट, राइट? हीट का मतलब क्या है? हीट का मतलब है टेम्परेचर. Someone is telling you, oh, I am having fever. हीट का मतलब क्या है? हीट का मतलब है इन्फ्लेमेशन. इन्फ्लेमेशन, कहीं पर चोट लग गई है और रेडनेस आ गई है, रेडनेस, स्वेलिंग. We already know that what is the inflammation. So heat का मतलब है inflammation. Heat का मतलब है bleeding. Like we can consider the bleeding happening due to heat, right? So these are the example of heat. So whenever we are feeling more like heat, when we are feeling, so we already know that how we feel more heat. हम अपने अंदर ज्यादा गर्मी महसूस करते हैं. किसी को फीवर आ गया, किसी की बॉडी गर्म है ना, hot flushes, and these all are coming under the heat. Now if we talk about the hotness, few things are coming under the heat and few things coming under the hotness. Both the energies are very near, very similar. दोनों ऊर्जाएं काफी नजदीक हैं, काफी similar, right? If the person is having lots of sweating is hotness. पसीना भी गर्मी से निकलता है, but we are keeping it in the hotness. Like we know, this is the example of yin deficiency, right? Yin is becoming deficient. हमारे शरीर में गर्मी बढ़ जाती है, empty heat बढ़ जाती है, sweating a lot. If the person is sweating a lot, we have to calm down the hotness. Thirst. Many person having thirst in the night, thirst in the day. अगर आपको ज्यादा प्यास लगती है, आपका ज्यादा गला सूखता है, तो यह hotness की निशानी है. So this is the hotness. We have to remember these energies. So in the future, when someone is telling you, I'm having too much sweating on my face, hotness. Oh, I'm having too much sweating from my palm, hotness. Oh, I'm having too much sweating in my entire body, hotness. Thirst. I am having thirst in the night, thirst in the day, thirst all the time. Means the person is having more hotness. जब गर्मी ज्यादा होती है, तो hotness ज्यादा होती है. Even the high blood pressure coming under the hotness. We know many times we have to treat the high blood pressure. हमें कई बार high blood pressure को ठीक करना होगा. तो what is high blood pressure? High blood pressure is the hotness. Remember, ये हमारा hotness. So in this way, we can consider the meaning of hotness when the person is having too much sweating, when the person is having thirst, when the person is having high blood pressure. ये सभी hotness के sign हैं. And we have seen here heat means temperature and inflammation. अगर हम बात करते हैं ह्यूमिडिटी की, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द ह्यूमिडिटी. What is humidity now? So the meaning of humidity, we can consider swelling. Swelling anywhere in the body, like swelling in the knee, swelling in the feet, swelling and feeling of bloating in the abdomen, swelling on the face. सूजन कहीं भी आ जाए, then we are telling it humidity, right? So there is a formation of the pus formation. Pus formation, also the humidity energy. There is a collection of the pus. We know sometimes we are getting some injury and there is a formation of the pus. The pus का formation होना भी humidity के अंदर आता. Humidity means we can consider a, I already told you about the pain. जब हम pain की बात करते हैं, when we talk about the pain, the humidity means dull pain. And the dryness means sharp pain, or we can tell stabbing pain. यानी कोई चाकू मार रहा है ऐसा पेन होना, वो ड्राइनेस है. बहुत ज्यादा दर्द होना ड्राइनेस है. एंड कूलनेस मीन्स अनबियरेबल पेन. Right? So one person is telling, oh, I am having too much pain all the time in my head. I have dull pain. Humidity plus plus. We have to calm down the humidity. Oh, I am having severe knee pain, very sharp pain. Then dryness or unbearable pain, that is the coolness, right? Here we are talking about the humidity. So humidity, we are keeping it dull pain. Right? So humidity is a swelling, humidity is a pus formation, humidity is a feeling of, we can tell, fullness. जब कोई व्यक्ति अपने आप में एक भारीपन से अनुभव करता है, we can tell heaviness, fullness, heaviness of fullness. That is humidity, right? So in this way, we should understand these things coming under the humidity. Humidity में आती है. Okay? Now, if we see, we are moving to the next. I hope you are following me, able to follow me, right? Okay. Right? Are you able to follow me? Okay. तो अगर किसी ने बोला कि मुझे पस का निर्माण हो रहा है, कहाँ हो रहा है? पैर में हो रहा है. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. There is a pus formation in the leg. Where? In the toe. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll go to the leg, then we'll go to the toe and we'll reduce the humidity there, right? In this way, we will be planning some. So in this way, now, if we talk about the dryness, अब हम dryness की बात करते हैं. So already I told you the pain of the dryness, acute pain. We can consider the dryness means acute pain. हम सोचते हैं कि acute तो heat होना चाहिए, but I will tell you very clearly, the pain starts from the humidity. Pain humidity के बाद से start होता है. उसके पहले there is a pain, there is inflammation, there is a redness, but pain starts from the humidity onwards. दर्द humidity के बाद start होता है ना? Pain is the yin characteristic. दर्द क्या है? दर्द yin है. Okay. So suppose you are getting the injury. आपने कई बार देखा होगा कि blood निकल रहा है पर pain नहीं है. Just you got the fresh injury. There is a bleeding also, but there is no pain. But the pain starts from the humidity onwards. So The dryness means acute pain, right? The most important thing which I want to tell you, the ulcer comes under the dryness energies. Ulcer. When we think about the ulcer, oh, ulcer, we might get confused. Ulcer, you might think heat, right? जब भी आप जब भी देखो कोई अल्सर हुआ, आपको लगेगा यार ये हीट हो सकता है, because it's look like little red, but ulcer are means there is a degeneration of the membrane. Suppose there is a degeneration of the membrane in the stomach ulcer. Stomach ulcer. What is stomach ulcer? There is dryness. Duodenal ulcer, dryness. The meaning of ulcer, when there is a epithelial layer are getting degenerated. जब उसके अंदर की जो दीवार होती है, म्यूकस होता है, वो सूख जाता है और वहां पर छेद बन जाते हैं, परफोरेशन हो जाते हैं, तो उसे अल्सर कहते हैं. So like the stomach ulcer or the gastric ulcer or peptic ulcer, right? All are same. Stomach ulcer, gastric ulcer, peptic ulcer, all three are same. Then duodenal ulcer, right? Ulcer anywhere in the body. That is because we will be treating the ulcer. हम अभी अल्सर की बात करेंगे. हम बोलेंगे चलो अब हम पेट के अल्सर का इलाज करते हैं. आप बोलोगे what is ulcer? Ulcer is dryness. We have to reduce the dryness because in the ulcer there is a dryness plus. We talk about the mouth. In the mouth there is a different condition. Mouth ulcer is the result of stomach heat, right? But we will discuss that protocol also. हम उसकी भी बात करेंगे. Okay. If we talk about the mouth ulcer is more we can consider as inflammation in the mouth, right? There is inflammation in the mouth, but we'll talk about that. Okay, so the stabbing pain, acute pain, and the stabbing pain, and the ulcer coming under the dryness energies, right? Now, the very important thing that is called sclerosis. What is sclerosis? The meaning of sclerosis means hardening. The hardening. Have you seen the pipeline? In the pipeline, like we are putting the water in the garden with the help of pipeline. Like today, you have brought a very beautiful, flexible pipeline from the market. Now you are giving water to the plants in your garden. है ना, आज एक बढ़िया सुंदर सी बहुत अच्छी फ्लेक्सिबल आप एक पाइपलाइन खरीद के लाए हैं मार्केट से और अपने प्लांट्स को पानी दे रहे हैं. अब आप कुछ दिनों के बाद देखेंगे यार पाइपलाइन रखे रखे कुछ वर्षों के बाद थोड़ी कड़क हो गई, राइट? द पाइपलाइन विल बी बिकमिंग हार्डर एंड हार्डर. Am I right or not? Becoming hard or not? If or you see some pipeline, gas pipeline also becoming hard, that the pipeline coming from the cylinder to the gas, with the time it becoming hard. So this is called sclerosis. The meaning of sclerosis, when something become hard in the human body also, it's happening. Our blood vessels is becoming hard, right? हमारी जो blood vessels होती है वो भी hard हो जाती है. They are losing the flexibility with the time, right? So suppose one pipeline is very good and flexible, it can become narrow, it can expand. It's a wonderful incidence. Like we can pump the blood very fast, we can pump the blood slowly, because pipeline can do contraction and the relaxation. But if the pipeline become hard, then there is no contraction, no relaxation. Is it clear? अगर पाइपलाइन हार्ड होगी तो ना तो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होगा ना रिलैक्सेशन होगा. जैसे आपकी गार्डन में एक पाइपलाइन पड़ी हुई है, वो एक कड़क हो गई, अब आप उससे पानी डाल रहे हो. अब आप देखोगे कि यार थोड़ी कड़क हो गई, बैंड नहीं हो रहा,